f of x equal to 4 over x minus 4. Now what we need to do is to find f of a plus h. Okay. So first one, we gotta find which one? F of a. What does that mean? I'm simply what? Replacing x with which one? A. So my answer is simply 4 over what? A minus 4. I'm done. Okay. Number 2. I'm looking for f a plus h. So this time I'm replacing x with what? A plus what? H. Because used to get when you have an x, it says whenever you see an x, what do? 4 divided by x minus 4. That's the rule. Now my rule is what? I'll give you a, then what do? You replace x with what? A. Now I'm replacing x with what? A plus h. My answer is 4 over. I'm gonna use different colors so you know I am replacing. Does it make sense to you? Yes. I'm just simply replacing x with what? Whatever elements they gave me. Okay, for next one.
I don't like how it's written out.
Again, it's just a little algebra, right? So it's not no big deal. We'll just do just like we do any other problem. This time it's asking me to find f of a plus h, and then what? Minus f of a, everything over h. So you're gonna say, oh, I know what this is. What is it? Isn't it this one right here that we learned? So I'm gonna put all the way over here. So I have 4 over and minus 4 over. I'm just simply plugging in what I have. Am I right? This is the f of a plus h, and this is what? F of a, and everything divided by h. All right, now is the time that you're gonna say, oh, okay, I gotta make a what? Common denominator. Okay, I cannot add this together or subtract this together because their denominator is not what?
The
same. So that means I need a new page. Is everybody with me? So let's just look at this. All right, this is what we're going to simplify. We're going to simplify that. Don't worry about H4 right now, okay? We're just going to simplify this. So can I erase this part, you guys? Because I need a new space. All right, because I need a new space, I will erase all this. All right, let's use it. Okay, is everybody ready? So I have this. So how would you simplify that?
You cross multiply by the denominator, right?
So I need to make same denominator. Remember we practiced that fraction problem we did? I gotta do exactly the same thing, which means I need to multiply this by what? This. What about this one? I need to multiply this by which one? A minus 4?
Mm-hmm.
Is everybody with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Don't worry about simplifying right now. Don't worry about simplifying this. Let's just simplify the numerator for now, okay?
Mhm.
So my common denominator is a minus 4 and then what? This
plus
one,
H.
a plus h minus 4. That's my common denominator. Is everybody with me?
Mhm.
What's my numerator?
4A
4 times a,
minus 16.
so it'll be 4a minus what? 16. And remember, you have a negative sign, okay?
Mhm.
So you multiply them with what? Negative sign. Remember this negative sign. So everything in here, you're going to have opposite sign. All right, so the negative 4 times a would be what?
4A.
Negative 4a. Negative 4 times h is what? Negative 4h.
Plus
Negative
16.
4 times negative 4 is what? Positive 16. So far, so good, everybody? Are you following me? Okay, is everybody good? All right. Oh, I forgot to give you the, go ahead and sign your name. So, now let's simplify. What can I cancel out here? 4a and negative 4a. And what? Negative 16 and positive 16. So I'm only left with what? This. All right, so far so good, you guys? Okay. So this is what I have up here. So I'm gonna rewrite it. So this is what I have now. Okay, so you got everything over what? H, right, class? Everything over H. This H, I just brought it back over here. Okay. Do you remember this? How to do complex fraction? Do you remember this? If I have A over B over D over C, what does that really mean? This means what? A over B divided by what? D over what? C. Am I right? Isn't that what that means? This big division means divide, right? But can I make this into multiplication problem? Because multiplication problem, you know what to do. It's easier for you to work with. How can I make it to be a multiplication problem? A over B and then what? Times what? C over D. Isn't that what I did?
Mhm.
Then that become easy. Then I can say, oh, I know how to do this problem. That would be what? A times C over B times what? D. Okay, everybody see that? Remark. Remember this? That's what I'm gonna do here. If I have a complex fraction, I will make it into multiplication problem. So can I make this into multiplication problem? By putting on the what? Over 1. Then do you see a fraction divided by what? Fraction over here. Is everybody with me, class? Are you following me? It's not hard, it's just long. You just have to have a patience, okay? Do not tell yourself this is too hard. It is not hard, but it is what? It's a long, so it requires your patience. That's all. So now what do I do? I'm gonna do exactly the same thing. That means this times what? 1 over what? H. Am I right, class? Remember this concept? A over B divided by D over C is the same as what? You end up with which one? A times C. This is the same as what? A times C over what? B times D. Right, class? So I do exactly the same thing. So this is end up with negative 4H times 1. Everything over what? This. That's what you have. Thank you. I forgot to put it. That's all. Thank you. Then we can simplify even more. What? 4, 18, and 8 cancel out. Thank you very much. I forgot to put my 8. All right, so what's my answer then? Simply -4 over what? This.